Yeah, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oboyzee Dollars. All right, I'm gonna place a live withdrawal on this website so that you can see if it's totally paying, if the payment is legit or the website is legit. All right, let me place the withdrawal right here as you're watching. So right now, I'm gonna click on the withdraw button. All right, yeah, I'm gonna click. This is the withdraw button here. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so I click on the withdraw button. Okay, now it says you can withdraw through your bank card or you can withdraw through USDT. All right, now this is the bank card and this is the USDT. So me now, I'm going with the USDT. I'm going to withdraw with the USDT here. All right, so let me click on it. Now it says, yeah, to withdraw with the USDT I have to put my withdrawal amount and please enter the payment password. All right, now it says this down one, it says 1 USDT is equals to 674 naira. That's for 1 USDT. All right, okay, let me fill in the things, but I have to post the video now, so I'm writing my password. Let me just put the amount I want to withdraw. Okay, see the amount I have now. Yeah, I have, this is what I have. I have 2,345. Right, so I withdraw 2,340. Yes, let me put in 2,340. 2,340. All right, 2,340. Okay, that's I have that is 2,340 will give me, this is it, will give me 3.47 USDT. All right, 3.47 USDT. Okay, let me put in my password. Sorry, I have to post this video for my password because it's my privacy. All right, let me post the video. Okay, I just put in my password. Now what is remaining now is my wallet address right here. All right, this up one, I have to put my wallet address. That's the USDT address. So let me go to my Trust wallet and copy the wallet address. Okay, now you go to your Trust wallet. This is my Trust wallet here. I'll open it. Okay, now let me show you how you can look for your USDT. Now you can see this is the USDT TRC20. All right, this is my USDT right here. Click on receive. All right, I'll click on receive, then copy it. This is copy here. Click on copy. As you can see, I've copied the wallet address. Then let's go back to the site. Let's go back to the site. Okay, then I'll paste it here. I'll paste the wallet address right here. Okay, you long press it. I think I'm having a network issue here, but let me. Okay, okay, I have my wallet address here. This is my wallet address. I'll just click on it. As you can see, I've put in my wallet address. Then I click on the submit button here. This is the submit button right here. I'll click on it. Click on the submit button. It's a payment sent successful. All right, successful. Okay. All right, now let's click on record to see. All right, this is the record here. Let's click on it to see.
Gets kicked.
Then you click on the withdrawal record. This is the withdrawal here. Click on the withdrawal record. It opens. Alright, look at the one I withdraw last week. As you can see here, you see I withdraw 4,800. That's last week, and then today only is 2,340, and it's waiting. Alright, the last week only successful. I received my TRC20. one is waiting. Alright. So what will happen is now it will take some time for the money to reflect on my trust wallet. Let me give you some time now. Alright. I will be back. I have to pause the video once I receive the money, then I will come back. Alright. If you are everything works. Yeah, welcome back. As you can see now, it's writing successful right here. Alright. This is successful now. That means the money went through. So let's go to my trust wallet and let's check to see if the money is there. Alright. Okay, let's go to my trust wallet. Let's see. Alright. As you can see now, this is my trust here. Right, this is the USDT here. So I'll click on it and copy the link. Right, I'll click on the USDT and copy the link. Alright, click on it. Alright, then you click on receive.